Hello and welcome to our channel NutureMite, where we provide informative videos regarding health and lifestyle. Please like, share and subscribe the channel and click on the bell icon for important notification and videos.
Is herd immunity the COVID-19 solution India needs? With the lockdown only leading to an increase in cases, it is making us look at the possibility of herd immunity being a solution. While India has been a pandemic-induced lockdown for a little over 2 months, the inflating numbers of coronavirus cases make us all have multiple questions. We are uncertain about the answers to existential questions like when will all this end, or what is the cure to this pandemic? Amidst the growing uncertainty came up the mention of herd immunity as a proposed strategy to successfully fight off the pandemic in India. What is herd immunity though? Herd immunity is a strategy where a majority of population becomes immune to an infectious disease either through vaccination or by getting infected and recovering from it. While we are all aware of the vaccine as a solution, the possibility of infected people saving others from getting infected sounds counterintuitive, doesn't it? Well, according to experts, it can actually work. An information scientist, Urmila Kulkarni Kale, stated that the immune individuals help break the chain of transmission. This shall lead to a decrease in the probability of a non-immune individual getting infected and in turn controlling the spread of the virus. While herd immunity has been successful in controlling infectious viruses like measles and smallpox, its effectiveness in controlling COVID-19 is still under question. Why is India considered as an apt choice for using herd immunity as a strategy? Princeton University and Center for Disease Dynamics, Economics and Policy found that 82% of the Indian demographic is under the age of 50. This creates the most desirable demographic for a smooth functioning herd immunity since even those who get infected will likely have mild symptoms with crude case fatality being less than 0.2%. This hands the baton of fighting off COVID-19 to your youth population. How can herd immunity help India? While our country has been on lockdown for the purpose of flattening of the curve, a study by the International Institute for Population Sciences (IIPS) found that even though India's situation could have been much worse if the lockdown wasn't administered, it is not a solution. Although the proposed number without lockdown could have been 1.71 crores, the staggering increase in cases and the sinking economy has shifted our country into Unlock 1.0. The weakening economy is why some experts believe we must consider herd immunity. A prominent epidemiologist, Jayaprakash Millil, stated, "No country can afford a prolonged period of lockdowns and at least of all a country like India." To create an intersection of restarting the economy and building antibodies against the virus, herd immunity is being proposed. Experts believe that we can use our young population to our advantage by creating looser restrictions around the country and letting the majority be exposed to enable the development of herd immunity. If executed effectively, it could help 60% of the population immunity by November and thus halt the spread of COVID-19. Lockdown has been effective in slowing down the spread but has led to huge cost for the government. The consideration of herd immunity, according to a Princeton researcher, shall create a trade-off against starvation. Essentially, it shall lead to an increase in short-term statistics followed by a successful deadline. Some experts believe herd immunity proposes too large a risk for India. Although in theory it sounds like a smooth sailing strategy, it proposes great risk for our densely populated country. It is possible for most of our young population to have mild or moderate symptoms and gain immunity to the virus. Our youth isn't fully immune to complications that may arise from it. Even after recovery, there isn't much research backing the fact that a person won't get reinfected. The assumption that the younger adults may not have a severe reaction is problematic since a major statistic of young Indians have dangerous underlying health conditions. First, about 22% of individuals aged between 20 to 44 have hypertension. Second, 4% of citizens aged between 15 to 44 have type 2 diabetes. Third, out of 2.1 million HIV patients, 83% lie between 15 to 45 years. Fourth, the percentage of youth suffering from chronic pulmonary disease and asthma are 4.2 and 3%. Fifth, third of our population consumes tobacco. With a staggering percentage of our youth falling under the high risk factors of COVID-19, the consideration of herd immunity being effective begins to seem problematic. Another significant reason why relying on herd immunity solely is an issue is that it shall lower the risk perception among younger populations. This shall lead to complacency which may make them want to defy the necessary social distancing measure. An increase in the youth population getting infection also proposes a risk to the elderly and the existing high-risk population. Why? Well, our dense population lives in a joint family structure, especially in rural areas. This makes the isolation of the elderly and the high-risk family members a challenge in itself. Another reason why it seems problematic as the sole solution is the fact that the voluntary growing cases shall put immense pressure on our healthcare system. According to research, presently in a population of 1.3 billion people, the medical resources available are 0.55 hospital beds per 1,000 people, with only 48,000 ventilators available. With the increase in cases, the already stifling healthcare system could be in a state of crisis. Should herd immunity be actually implemented? Although it proposes great risk, its consideration can't be completely denied, since it could help us to find a solution to fighting off the virus and reworking the economy rather than a lockdown, which only limits the spread but not eliminate it. With a vaccine still 12 to 18 months away, herd immunity being considered as a sole solution seems problematic. According to WHO, herd immunity shall lead to too much illness or deaths, making us all think if it is truly worth or not. With growing cases of COVID-19, experts believe some people falling sick to immune the others can actually help. This is why herd immunity was proposed. But with no COVID-19 vaccine yet, it is difficult to eliminate the COVID-19 virus. It's better for all of us to stay healthy and safe at our home. Thank you for watching the video.
Thank you. Please like, share and subscribe to the channel. Click on the bell icon for important notifications and videos.